1,000 moms reveal elderberry syrup benefits they swear by, from colds to more surprises. In a recent survey of 1,000 moms sharing their thoughts on elderberry, it's no surprise that they overwhelmingly praised this fruit for its myriad health benefits. Many moms revealed it has become a staple in their kitchens, ready to be called upon at the first sign of a common cold or flu. Elderberry, a fruit with a rich history in traditional medicine, particularly in ancient Egypt, is known for its myriad health benefits. The berries of the Sambucus tree, native to Europe, are utilized to create elderberry syrup, a remedy that has stood the test of time. Traditionally, elderberry syrup has been a go-to treatment for various ailments, and its popularity is surging in modern times. Recent scientific studies have validated many of the long-standing claims about the effectiveness of elderberry syrup. One remarkable attribute is its immune-boosting power, making it a secret weapon for health. Moms today are embracing the surprising benefits of elderberry syrup for their families, leveraging its potential to shorten the duration of colds and alleviate allergy symptoms. The upward trend in elderberry syrup sales, experiencing a 500% increase in recent years, attests to its widespread adoption in households across America. The question arises, what lies behind this remarkable surge in popularity? Well, let's find out. But wait, there's more. There's one very important piece of information related to this topic that you don't want to miss. I won't reveal it just yet, but I suggest you watch the video till the end to find out what it is. Trust me, it's worth it. Here are some benefits of elderberry syrup. 1. Boosts the immune system. Elderberry syrup emerges as a potent ally in fortifying the immune system, offering a rich source of vital nutrients. Packed with immune-boosting vitamin C, it acts as a shield against infections. Additionally, the syrup contains flavonoids, robust antioxidants that play a crucial role in safeguarding the body from the detrimental effects of free radicals. This dual-action immune support makes elderberry syrup a valuable asset for overall health. 2. Reduced inflammation. Elderberry syrup takes center stage not only as an immune booster but also as a potent ally in reducing inflammation. Packed with anthocyanin, a robust anti-inflammatory antioxidant, elderberries combat oxidative stress and its potential harm caused by the metabolization of free radicals in the body. By neutralizing these free radicals, elderberry syrup contributes to minimizing inflammation, thus serving as a preventive measure against various health issues. The vibrant dark purple hue of elderberries is attributed to anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid celebrated for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Beyond their visual impact, anthocyanins play a pivotal role in neutralizing free radicals, thereby mitigating oxidative stress and its inflammatory consequences. Chronic inflammation is a known precursor to various health problems, spanning from heart disease to cancer and neurodegenerative diseases. The anti-inflammatory effects of anthocyanins, such as those found in elderberries, position them as potential protectors against these conditions. Furthermore, anthocyanins showcase broader health benefits. Their positive impact extends to cognitive functions, potentially enhancing memory, language, and attention by promoting increased blood flow and activating specific brain areas. Additionally, these antioxidants exhibit promising protective effects on vital organs like the heart, liver, and kidneys, adding to the holistic health appeal of elderberry syrup. 3. Relieves cold and flu. Elderberry syrup helps in relieving cold and flu symptoms, backed by scientific evidence showcasing its efficacy. Studies, including one involving air travelers with cold symptoms, revealed that those who used elderberry experienced notable reductions in both the duration and severity of their illnesses. Notably, participants in another study reported eased flu-like symptoms within a day of using elderberry extract. Furthermore, elderberry syrup's efficacy extends to preventing and alleviating cold symptoms. Research underscores its role as a powerful preventative and remedy, with participants experiencing fewer and less severe cold symptoms. The impact of elderberry syrup on the duration of colds is particularly noteworthy. Multiple studies demonstrate its ability to reduce the duration of colds by up to 4 days compared to placebo groups. Notably, participants taking elderberry extract for cold symptoms saw their symptoms clear up within 2 to 4 days, while the placebo group took 12 days to recover. In the realm of flu symptoms, elderberry's soothing effects are supported by research indicating that elderberry extracts can disable the flu virus and impede its replication. This, in turn, reduces the intensity and duration of flu symptoms. Notably, elderberry supplements taken within 24 hours of flu symptom onset were found to curtail the illness duration by an average of 3 to 4 days faster than a placebo. The flavonoids in elderberries, particularly anthocyanins, are believed to be responsible for these beneficial effects. 4. Supports heart health. Elderberry syrup emerges as a potent supporter of heart health, showcasing significant benefits supported by recent research. A 2022 study in Food Science and Nutrition highlighted the major cardiovascular advantages of elderberries. Mice fed an extract high in elderberry anthocyanins demonstrated substantially lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, leading researchers to conclude that elderberry holds great potential as a dietary remedy for reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. The antioxidants in elderberry syrup play a crucial role in protecting the heart against damage from free radicals, contributing to improved heart health. Additionally, elderberry syrup's ability to reduce cholesterol levels and improve blood pressure further enhances its potential in preventing heart disease. If you're enjoying the content so far, a sub to the channel would be super. Thank you. 5. Eases upper respiratory symptoms. Elderberry syrup exhibits its prowess in easing upper respiratory symptoms, providing relief from common issues like sinus congestion, sore throats due to colds or allergies, and bronchitis. A randomized trial published in Family Practice revealed remarkable results, with almost 90% of patients taking elderberry extract reporting significant improvements in upper respiratory symptoms within just 2 days, in stark contrast to the mere 17% improvement observed in the placebo group. Moreover, emerging research suggests that regular consumption of elderberries may fortify and safeguard the respiratory system from illnesses. A study involving mice and rats demonstrated that those given elderberry compounds experienced enhanced lung function and more efficient filtration compared to their counterparts who did not receive elderberries. Their lung tissue was protected, with fewer cells infected when intentionally exposed to dangerous bacteria. While further research is needed, these findings hint at the potential of regular elderberry syrup consumption to enhance respiratory system resilience and prevent infections in the future, an aspect truly worth exploring. 6. Allergy relief. Elderberry shows promise as a potential supporter in alleviating allergies, as indicated by a 2021 study in phytotherapy research. The study concluded that an elderberry extract rich in flavonoids exhibited anti-allergic and antihistamine effects in laboratory tests. Researchers attribute these effects to components like quercetin, which may suppress inflammation, and histamine reactions responsible for allergy symptoms such as runny noses, watery eyes, and sneezing. Traditionally, elderberry has been employed in the treatment of hay fever, a common allergy. It is believed to help alleviate hay fever symptoms, including a runny nose, itchy eyes, and sneezing. The multifaceted potential of elderberry in addressing allergic reactions adds to its repertoire of health benefits. 7. Relieves constipation. Elderberries, rich in dietary fiber, offer potential support in promoting regular bowel movements by adding bulk to the stool, aiding its smooth passage through the digestive tract. This quality makes elderberry a consideration in alternative medicine for addressing constipation, as seen in a clinical trial where a treatment containing elderberry proved effective as a laxative. However, more research is required to determine if elderberry alone yields similar effects. It's essential to emphasize that, Although elderberry may contribute to relieving constipation, it should not replace a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, sufficient hydration, and a diet abundant in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains remain crucial for maintaining overall digestive health. And there you have it, with benefits ranging from shortening colds, easing allergies, and boosting heart health to combating flu viruses. It's clear why elderberry syrup has earned its place as a treasured herbal remedy. Even though we have just gone over some science-backed wellness benefits of elderberry syrup, it's important to note that individual health conditions may vary. Before making any changes to your diet or incorporating elderberries into your routine, we strongly recommend that you check with your medical professional or healthcare provider. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific health needs and ensure that any modifications to your diet align with your overall well-being. Your health is of the utmost importance, and consulting with a healthcare professional will help you make informed decisions regarding your diet and lifestyle. If you are still watching, then thank you for staying till the end. Now, as promised, I want to share one final fascinating point with you. Incorporating elderberries into a balanced diet can offer various health advantages, as we've previously discussed. Nevertheless, it is important to avoid consuming raw elderberries due to their potential to induce nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Additionally, as elderberry has the potential to boost the immune system, caution should be exercised when taking medications that suppress immune function, including corticosteroids and drugs used for autoimmune conditions. Individuals who have undergone organ transplants should also steer clear of elderberries. If you have any personal stories on how elderberry syrup has supported you or your family's wellness over the years, we value your feedback and we'd love to hear about it. Please share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, but only if you found this video helpful or learned something new. Stay committed to your health, and remember that every positive choice you make brings you closer to a healthier, happier life. And if you would like to discover more about how ginger tea can support your immune system and unlock other amazing benefits, we invite you to watch this video. Explore the valuable insights and information it provides to help you make informed choices for your well-being.